I think that if you're in a position where you can say something that people will listen to and make a difference, no matter what else gets said, because I know that I deal with that more than most people at this point.